Are you wondering how to update user profiles in Navan? In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process of updating user profiles quickly and easily so you can make the most out of your Navan experience. Navan is an intuitive software that helps businesses streamline operations, and user profiles play a crucial role in how data and tasks are organized within the platform. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this guide will cover everything you need to know. To start, log into your Navan account. Once you're in, head to the Users section, which can be accessed from the main dashboard. This is where you can manage all user-related information. It's important to remember that only administrators or users with the appropriate permissions can update profiles, so make sure you have access to this feature. Once you're in the Users section, you'll see a list of all active user profiles. To update a specific profile, simply click on the user's name and you'll be taken to their profile details page. Here, you can modify key information such as their name, job title, and contact details. This ensures that your team's data stays up to date and relevant, which can help improve communication and workflow within your organization. In addition to basic information, you can also manage their roles and permissions in Navan. This is where you can define what the user can and cannot do within the system. For example, you can assign roles like admin, manager, or user to help you control access and tasks. Updating the profile picture is another feature you'll want to know about. To do this, simply click on the photo section and upload an image from your computer or drag and drop one into place. A professional profile picture is an easy way to help team members identify each other within the system, especially in large teams or organizations. Another key feature when updating profiles is adding or updating contact information. It's always a good idea to keep email addresses and phone numbers current to ensure seamless communication across departments. This helps when setting up alerts, reminders, or coordinating events. Once you've made all the necessary updates to the user profile, don't forget to click the Save button. This ensures that all the changes you've made are properly saved and that the user's profile reflects the new information. It's always good practice to double check that the updates have been applied successfully by reviewing the profile again. A quick tip for administrators: if you need to update multiple profiles at once, Navan allows for batch updates. Instead of manually editing each profile individually, you can upload a CSV file with the required changes. This can save you time if you're managing a large team. Now, if you want to explore more powerful features of Navan, like advanced integrations or setting up custom workflows, I've got good news. You can try out the software for completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. And yes, there's an exclusive bonus if you sign up through this link, so stick around until the end for that. So whether you're just getting started with Navan or simply need to update a few profiles, these steps will get you up and running quickly. You'll be able to manage user data more efficiently, improving your team's productivity and collaboration in no time. Don't forget, by using the link in the description, you can access an exclusive extended free trial of Navan. You'll get to experience the full range of features, and I can promise you it's worth checking out. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on Navan and other business software. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.